Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this 2022 BMW 3 Series estate with a Starline Pro. So if a thief done a relay attack on the key, made a copy of the key, broke into your house and stole it, got in the vehicle and started the vehicle up, it's going to start up, but when they go to drive away, by selecting a gear, putting in drive or reverse, you're going to see it cut out. So what the customer has to do to drive this is start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence of their choosing, 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Hear that disarm tone and we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running and we can drive it. If they don't want to use the PIN code every time they get in the vehicle, they can just have their phone in their pocket with their Bluetooth on, get in and start. Hear that disarm tone, they can put it in gear and drive the vehicle. No need for a push sequence. Customer can set their own code on this. So the way they'll do that is we'll give it time to set and we'll start from the beginning. So on the BMs, without starting, foot off the brake, triple tap the start button to get the ignition on. We'll disarm it with our code 1, 2, 3, get a disarm tone, confirms that the system knows it's us, we put our code in or we've shown our phone. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll cycle the ignition off and then back on. We get 5 bleeps, now it's ready to learn a code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a confirmation and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation again. There we go, now we can turn the vehicle off. That's our code set. So the code can be anything from a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 21 presses in any order the customer chooses. Completely up to them, can be totally unique. As you've seen, we've just changed it. So now we'll start the car, pop the new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our disarm tone and we can drive the vehicle. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro Immobiliser, pairs to your phone, has a push sequence, 2 forms of immobilisation to protect your vehicle. So once again, if someone copied this key, done a relay attack on the vehicle, or broke in to your house, stole this physical key, had it in their pocket, got in to drive it off, they'll start it up. When they put it in gear, it cuts out. There you go. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.